It looks so good.
The first panel is officially done. So this weekend was really great. A lot of fun. It was really hot. Winter in Florida is great, even though it's 50 degrees today. So we actually get to enjoy some cold weather. So I can't complain. I have a confession to make. I made a fib.
Of what?
You know I said we're leaving today?
Yes. A fibbery? Of what? Of what?
We're actually here to wrap your car.
To wrap my car?
To wrap your car.
This car? I knew you were up to something. I knew it.
I can't hold it. I
knew it. You were conveniently up to something.
No, not me.
I didn't know what it was. I could not figure it out. I knew you were up to something and I could not figure out what it was, but you were like being weirdly vague of things and also weirdly calm at all points. Like, it's fine.
Literally at moments where I would be like anxiety to the roof, like trying to figure out like what I need to do. We're here! Are you excited?
Yes.
I was literally so nervous driving here. I've been shaking this entire time.
Really?
Trying to be calm and not say anything. The amount of times I've almost slipped.
Really?
Yes.
I was like, well, so what are we doing today? You're like, we'll maybe go to the shop. I'm like, to what? To do what? I'm very excited.
Are you ready to see your color?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Are you ready to see your color?
Yes.
We're gonna get out of here because we're gonna go look at your color.
Yes. I can't wait.
Woo! Okay guys, well, welcome back to the channel. Obviously, you know what's kind of going on. We have Mason's G80 M3 at Produced Haul Shop for a wrap. I am so excited. I have been wanting to do things with the G80 for so long. If you haven't watched it in the past, I did surprise Mason with the G80 back in California. And if you haven't, make sure you go watch that video. We're spoiling Mason today for Christmas with getting the G80 wrapped. I am so excited because the color is so beautiful and stunning and fun, and I am glad he is excited. He has been wanting to do things with a G80 since I got it for him. We're starting today. It is happening. Now I hope this convinces him to lower it and get wheels and do more things to it and enjoy it as much as he has been enjoying it. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into this video. The news has been broken.
Weirdly calm. Too much. I knew it was up to something. Too much.
He literally goes, I knew it. You've been way too calm these past few days.
Like everything going wrong, she's like, that's fine. It's cool. Like, could break a foot. She's like, it's fine. We're going to do whatever we need to do.
Do your little happy dance.
Little. Yeah.
Exactly.
Little. All right.
Open her up.
So should I hit like.
I need the full face reaction.
All right.
You should do one of those like.
I'm like a. I'm slowly opening it.
All right, hurry up and open it.
I'm gonna just do it this way.
Come on, rip it open.
Why don't I
Rip it open.
Okay, wait.
Screams you. It screams.
It's like avocado.
Avocado! Thanks!
It looks so good.
God, it's so good.
It looks really good.
So good.
How do you think it's gonna look?
Really good.
So good.
Really good. Do you have any other words than good? The wonderful color reveal. Wow.
I'm so excited.
It's so beautiful.
Yes!
Are you ready?
Oh yeah? This is the color that I've showed you multiple times on their Instagram.
Of the RX-7, right?
Yes.
I like the color of it more in person than in the photos. Like in the
That's good.
photos, it
That's
looks
good.
more saturated, but in this, it's like the perfect green.
So it has literally been like a multiple month process of constantly asking Mason what color, if you were to wrap the G80, what color would you put on it? And it was a huge toss up between this color, Paul's color, and then there was one other color. And so then me and Paul were just sitting there and we were contemplating and we were like, which one do we choose?
Yes.
And literally at the end of it, before picking the color fully between the options, he kept bringing this one up, and we kept looking at the photo of the RX-7 of this one.
I'm glad it didn't end up being staple gray.
Yeah, sorry, Paul.
Well, staple gray was really good looking, but it was the safer play.
Yeah.
And I wanted
I mean, this is definitely
less
going to be a
safer play.
statement.
Yeah.
And I'm excited because it's a very pretty color.
Yeah, it looks
And
good.
I'm glad I didn't pick green for the M2. But I mean, we could be twins, so who knows? I think this is the first time I've ever fully surprised you, besides getting you the G80.
I think you really surprised me on the freaking G80. Really surprised me.
Well, this is a surprise too.
This is a very surprise though. You got me on this one good.
I'm excited.
Did not expect it.
But now this means we have to do more things with it.
Yeah.
So,
Lower it.
yeah.
Slam it.
Slam it.
Wheel it.
Wheel it.
Downpipe it.
You gonna wash it?
Yeah.
We're waiting on you.
Okay.
We might be doing the wrap, but the washing, that's all you.
Okay.
There.
You're doing great.
Thank you. I'm still learning how to use it.
What is this? Like the second time you washed your car?
Honestly, yeah. Probably. Pretty much. I'm just all over it.
Come on, boy, what you doing? Hurry up.
Sorry.
You've been washing this thing for like an hour.
Sorry.
Look, I don't know how this happened, but I'm now the one rinsing off the car, so.
It was my plan all along.
I'm stuck.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Have you ever tried it? It's the best way possible. Just like that. We're good.
Yeah.
It's time!
I was not expecting you to be in my face.
You weren't expecting any of this!
No. Oh yeah.
The next day.
Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Mason's car being wrapped. Mason's over here.
Oh, he working.
What you doing?
Oh, he working.
He's working. He's getting both his back tires changed. That's nice. 2 brand new back tires will be coming in. The first panel is officially done. Almost. We're getting there. Almost. There's a whole situation that's going down right now, which I will explain.
We're gonna go back. We're gonna grab the truck. We're gonna put a new wheel on the truck, go to the dealership, get the truck tires changed, get the truck, bring it to the other place to go get the trailer, grab the trailer, put the trailer on the truck, not on the truck, but attach it to the truck, and then we're gonna go back to the house, grab the S2000, load the S2000 on, and then 1,000 parts into the truck, and then we're gonna drive back down here and unload all of it, and then leave Paul with an S2000 for the rest of his life.
So if you caught all of that, yeah, that's what's about to go down. Wow. That's not flat at all. She do be leaning. I gotta get this bad boy off of here.
Go and get spinning.
Atlanta.
Get spinning.
Leave me on that all day, chief.
We're like almost at ride height.
Wow, I'm about to have the strongest wrists after this. What them wrists do.
What did she say?
Vocal me.
How you take wheels off? All right, come on. I want to see you struggle
I'm
taking this thing off.
scared. Oh, you just want to see me struggle. That's all you want. That's all you want in life is to see me struggle. Oh, she heavy. How much will these bad boys weigh? You see here, folks, she's off and very flat. I think I can just... She's rolling real well here. Oh, look at this crater. This crater. I don't even gotta do anything. It just stands on its own. I'm trying to line these up. It ain't working. It's always the feet, I swear. Oh, I changed the T-Rex tire because Mason refused to help me.
You turn on the side of the highway. You're by yourself. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna change the tire.
Exactly.
I'm just letting this thing manhandle me. And just like that, she's on, she's changed. Now I'm gonna go get the other tire with a new tire, and then we're gonna get ready to go back to Tampa towing the S2000. And we are back to our regular shenanigans. It is currently Monday. It is bright, it is windy, it is a beautiful day, but we were supposed to head back to Tampa on the following day, literally the day after, but Florida decided to hit us with a tropical 2-day storm, not just one, but two. And so I was not about to be doing all of this in rain, nonstop rain. But look! She is on the trailer. We have the truck loaded with all of the parts ready to go. I am so excited. This is gonna be a process, an amazing process.
4 hours later.
Hi.
Hi.
We made it. After a lot of traffic. We made it. It was loaded this morning. That was loaded this morning. Now we gotta unload this, unload that, park this thing. There's 3 of us here. I'm just saying. We could bang this out real quick is all I'm saying.
I ain't banging nothing. What are you doing?
It won't stay open and I can't pull it. Every time I do this,
Ma'am.
No, every time I do this, I somehow pinch my finger, and I didn't want to pinch my finger. Trying everything in my willpower to not pinch my finger. Meanwhile, I'm over here taking this off as Mason's just standing there. Come on, boy, get to work. After we move this bad boy off, we get to go inside. Mason gets to get his first reaction. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So let's get this off so I can get inside and look at it.
He's just antsy.
Yeah, a little bit.
I are holding him right now.
Come on.
Yeah, maybe if I can only take a little bit longer.
Ah.
This is a great. It's a great, yeah.
I love that song.
It's great, right?
That's my favorite song.
Have you heard this song?
Yes.
That's great.
Yeah, I like that one. Stop right there. Woo! Woo!
That's my high five to you.
Thank you.
Because I hate parking this thing. Wait, no, come here. I gotta, yeah, close your eyes. You gotta do what you did to me. Close your eyes.
Wait. Close my eyes. Where am I gonna
Yeah, like,
walk?
I'll hold your hand.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand. Hey, keep them eyes closed. Did you just peek? Fingers. Are you ready?
Yes.
How excited are you?
Very.
Kind of looks like
Rude? Can I look?
It's amazing.
Wow! Oh, it's way better than I thought.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is not the excitement I want.
What do you mean? Have you looked at it?
There we go. This color is beautiful.
This color.
Did you matched?
I did. Can you tell I like green?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it from this angle. Have you seen it from this angle?
Look, it
Would
looks
you just
wider.
look at it? It's gonna hit you tomorrow, and you'll be like, wow.
B-roll, rolling right now.
Alright guys, I need you to comment below what you think about this color because I think it's gorgeous. It is beautiful. I am thriving for this green. I'm honestly kind of jealous. But comment below what you think. What do we need to do next?
Next.
Next.
Carbon fiber grills next.
Okay.
CSL ones.
Okay.
A carbon fiber front lip and definitely lower it spacers for the wheels
Okay.
until the new wheels.
Oh, new wheels.
Yeah. And carbon fiber mirror caps.
Okay.
Yep.
This is a good vision. I'm envisioning
You've started this?
Yeah, I know I did. I
And
knew this was gonna happen.
See, I didn't want this to happen with this car, but now I want it with this car.
Yeah, it's good. That's how it should be.
All it took was the color.
Exactly. Finally get to see it in the sun. Finally get to see it in the sun. Ready?
God damn!
Yeah.
That's crazy. That is so glossy.
That's yours.
That looks so. Look at the front end. Jesus.
This color is stunning. Gorgeous. Like this video right now if we should be doing more to the G80. If Mason should actually put some love into the G80. Like this video now. And comment below what you think about the color. I need to know. I'm thriving for this color. Well guys, that is the end of today's video. What an amazing video. We got Mason's car wrapped for Christmas, a wonderful surprise. And on top of that, we made the last minute decision to bring down the S2000. I'm really excited. Even though it was the initial intent, with everything that happened, it's here. I'm excited. We're gonna get started. I do have to, when doing the air ride, there is a leak in the rear passenger. It's a very slow leak, but I'll fix that in the next video when we actually start it. But until then, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Shit's gonna get moving.